The best skincare for red acne marks is azelaic acid. Yes, azelaic acid. Nakailang kwentuhan na tayo dito, guys. Azelaic acid nga ang perfect for red acne marks. Yes, I've tried a lot of skincare products, but azelaic acid talaga yung pinaka nag-work sa akin. Magrereklamo na naman kayo, bakit po hindi nag-work sa akin yung niacinamide, yung ganito, ganyan. Guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung niacinamide, for me it can't stand alone. Madalas, meron siyang kasamang other brightening ingredients like tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, or may kasama siyang hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, mga ganyan. It acts as supporting ingredient, so you should use a skincare that target that specific concern, which is the red acne marks, and that is azelaic acid. Gawin yung baseline na skincare for red acne marks yung azelaic acid. And then once na-adjusted na yung skin mo, then go add some supporting skincare ingredient like niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, vitamin C. But if you are looking for a skincare na ang forte talaga niya is red acne marks, go for azelaic acid. Again, azelaic acid mga mima. You can start with lower percentage like 10%. Or kung na-assess naman ng derma yung skin mo at in-advise ka ng 15% or 20%, gora ka na dyan. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Huwag mo nang problemahin kung magpo-purge ka kasi purging isa phase lang talaga na dapat paglaanan ng skin mo, or baka kasi mamaya kailangan mo talagang mag-purge muna para mas maging maganda yung skin mo bago mo i-treat yung red acne marks na yan. But again, azelaic acid ang maganda talaga for red acne marks.